Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, this is Mel. Today we're going to make okra. This is very simple okra, so I have frozen okra. And I'm going to first, I have a little bit of cumin seed asafoetida and 1 teaspoon of oil which I roasted. Now I'm going to add to that 1 onion, and I'm going to saute this one till golden brown, and then I will add my okra to it. And this is my frozen okra, and all we need to add to it is salt, turmeric, and then once it's cooked, then we're going to add garam masala powder and some sort of vegetable masala powder. You can add some chopped tomatoes, and you can add some chopped jalapeno pepper if you like spicy. This okra is very simply cooked but very tasty, and you can eat it with rice or brown rice or just bread. As you see, my onion is totally roasted, and to that I'm going to add this frozen okra, and I have salt and turmeric in it. I have about half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric. I'm going to cook this on slow heat for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm going to add my garam masala powder and vegetable masala powder. So now that is almost ready, so I added my garam masala powder and my vegetable masala powder, and at this point you can add some chopped tomatoes if you like, and some jalapeno pepper chopped. So I'm gonna go cook this one about 5 to 10 more minutes, and then it will be done. So this is the okra, and I have added some jalapeno pepper. It's very tasty. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.